Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Shaw here, ready to go to help you out with assignment 1.02 in Algebra I Semester 1. And we're talking about order of operations today, and in this case, you're going to need to know PEMDAS. So, and also, two things beforehand. My son is in the room, and he's watching Moana. Okay, so if you can hear Moana, I apologize, Disney. I promise I'm not trying to infringe on your copyright. And secondly, if he comes in, I also apologize about that, but that is all. Okay, so what this means is when you're going to do, this is like the order that you do these in. So first thing is parentheses, then exponents, then you have multiplication and division, these are together, and then addition and subtraction, these are also together. Okay, and you're going to do them from left to right when you do addition and subtraction and then multiplication and division. Okay, so this is our order of operations that we're dealing with here. And I'm going to try to keep reminding you guys of this as we go through this. So anyway, first one's pretty easy. Again, it's just going to do 3.2 to the fourth power. And what you guys should know is I'm not going to give you the answers here, but I am going to try to help you set these up. So 3.2 to the fourth power, whenever you take something to a power, you are like, you're taking it to that, you're multiplying it by itself that many times. So this is equivalent to 3.2 times 3.2 times 3.2 times 3.2. So put that in your calculator, just 3.2 to the times itself 4 times, exactly what I have here, and that will give you your answer. Okay, just use a calculator for that. You guys will be good to go. Okay, next up, okay, so I'm going to rewrite PEMDAS real quick. I should have done that earlier. I apologize. Remember that these guys are together. All right, so we're going to start here with the parentheses, and inside the parentheses, I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite it down here. We have 6 squared plus 4 minus 15. So we need to deal with, inside the parentheses, we need to deal with the exponent first. So 6 squared is the same as 6 times 6. If you put that in your calculator, you're going to get 36. So now we have 36 plus 4 minus 15. So again, here you're going to go ahead and add these two together now, because we have to deal with the parentheses first, so that's going to be 40 minus 15, and then that will get you your answer for number 2. Okay, nice and easy. All right, next up, okay, we have 4 times 6 squared divided by 3 plus 7. Okay, so again, we're going to rewrite our PEMDAS up here. So let's, again, I don't see any parentheses, so the first thing I see is an exponent. So we just did 6 squared in the last problem, so that is 36. So we're going to have 4 times 36 divided by 3 plus 7. So you see I have multiplication and division here. Again, they are together, so I'm going to go from left to right here. So in this case, I'm going to do 4 times 36 first. So let's pull up our calculators. And we get 144 divided by 3 plus 7. And then the next thing is going to be division, so we'll divide by 3. You get 48 plus 7, and that'll get you your answer. Okay? All right, so these next two are going to be kind of the harder ones for this assignment, so we're just going to go ahead and work it out real quick. So it says, what is the value of negative 4d squared plus 15d squared divided by 5 for d equals 1? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 1 and I'm going to plug it in right here for these two values of d right here. So it's going to look like this. So negative 4 times 1 squared plus 15 times 1 squared divided by 5. So this is actually kind of nice for us because 1 squared is just 1. So you literally do 1 times 1, and that equals 1. So you have negative 4 times 1 plus 15 times 1 divided by 5. So then we need to go ahead and multiply first. So this is going to, negative 4 times 1 is negative 4, plus 15 times 1 is 15, and then divided by 5. So now here, oh, I forgot to write PEMDAS. My bad. I'm so sorry, guys. You deserve so much better. Okay, so now again, you see division is going to come before addition. So now I'm going to go ahead and do 15 divided by 5 and get 3, and then our answer is going to be just negative 4 plus 3. And again, put that in your calculator and then put that answer in for number 4 and you'll be good to go. All right, last one, number 5. Again, same kind of problem except it's a lot more complicated. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this one down here just because there's a lot of things that we want to make sure we don't mess up. All right, so 5x squared to the third power plus 16y divided by 4y. Okay, so my x value is going to be 2. I'm going to put that right here. And then my y value is going to be 3. And I'm going to put that right here and right here. So let's do it. So this is going to be a little bit complicated here, so just make sure you're staying with me. So this is going to be 5 times 2 squared all to the third power plus 16 times 3 divided by 4 times 3. Okay, so for this one, we need to deal with these parentheses first. So I need to deal with the exponent first inside the parentheses. So 2 squared is 4. So now I have 5 times 4 to the third power plus 16 times 3 divided by 4 times 3. So 5 times 4 is 20. So now I have 20 to the third power. I'm going to go ahead and do something that's going to make our lives a little easier over here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to multiply these out. So 16 times 3 is, I believe, 48. Let's just make sure that I'm on summer brain right now. So, yep, 48. Awesome. So 48, and then divided by 4 times 3 is 12. Okay. Now again, this is, I don't, that's how they have you do this problem. That's not technically right for those of you that are watching this one, but this is going to help set you up to get the right answer. So just be aware of that. So anyway, all right, so then finishing up here, 20 to the third power, again, is going to be the same as, I'm just going to write it out, 20 times 20 times 20. So going back to our calculator, handy dandy calculator, it's going to be 20 times 20 times 20, which is 8,000. So 8,000 plus 48 divided by 12. And then you just need to divide. So you're going to, again, division becomes before addition. So you're going to do 48 divided by 12, and that is 4. And so your answer will be 8,000 plus 4. And put that answer in. And you guys are good to go. Okay. Guys, I hope that helped. If you guys need anything, send me a message on Canvas. Otherwise, hey, thanks for hanging out. And watching some Moana, too. How nice. See you guys.